over this. Now, go. And then you can go some more.
Now this is hilarious. A chicken in a car. Look at that. Just look at that. Chicken. She's just in the car riding it. And she doesn't even care about her hopping now.
Because it's a remote control car. It's fun. Hold on, it's stuck. Ow, my God.
And hey,
It's the funniest thing ever.
look at her. Now just go faster. Whee! No in the sunlight. Nope. Hey! Ow! Hey! It looks like he's beeping it up.
Move.
She just said down. Like she doesn't even care. Okay, where is she? Oh, there she is! Going under the truck now.
There she goes. She got dropped off at her destination.
Oh no, she
She pooped.